decided to take a little trip to the San Antonio Riverwalk for the 4th of July weekend.
Welcome to the good life. Welcome to the good life.
The wait is over.
Welcome to the good life.
And after all the talk, all I gotta say is
welcome to the good life.
You're welcome. You're all welcome. Like we always do at this time. I go for mine. I got to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky. Go for mine. I got to shine. Now throw your hands up in the sky.
We stayed at the Hyatt Grand on the Riverwalk. It was beautiful. We took a little stroll down the Riverwalk. As you see, it was pretty crowded, but overall it was just really nice. It was a nice environment. It was a good vibe. I just loved it.
That is very good for rat chicks.
Here it is. I love anything with a waterfall, and this scenery just took my breath away. Even though it was pretty hot, I don't know if the Riverwalk was just giving off heat or what. Just me and my husband enjoying each other's company. Oh, I love these cartoon drawings. I always wanted one. Man, why they do us like this? They didn't have to do this. This was just some more scenery from the hotel. Just taking it in. If you're ever at the Riverwalk, check this hotel out. If you ever come to the Riverwalk, just walking the trail, it's giving safari kind of vibes. I just really enjoyed it. It was breathtaking and peaceful. This was actually a little hidden gem at the end of the Riverwalk. It was beautiful. I love anything with pinks and purple, so this was just absolutely gorgeous to look at. Not to mention, I know you can hear the waterfalls in the background. There was several more out here.
Water was feeling all kinds of water. Feel it?
Yeah. Maybe it was all the... When you visit this location, please wear comfortable shoes. This is a lot of walking. There's a lot of stairs. It's so much scenery, so you want to be comfortable. I climbed up here to get a photo, and guess what? Yep, you guessed it. I was stuck, and my husband had to come get me down. We stopped and did a little mini photo shoot under the waterfall. This is a really nice spot to just get some family photos or some nice pictures of the kids. I love waterfalls. Where we going, my love? Is that us? Yep, that's us right there. Now, I could never live in the city, but it's something about the city lights that are just so exciting. We went up to our room on the 19th floor just so we can catch some fireworks from our view. Now, this view was nice with the fireworks, but we decided to go ahead and head down to the 5th floor. They have like a rooftop area with the pool and everything where we can see the fireworks from there. Now this is the rooftop on the 5th floor. As you can see, a lot of families are already gathering out here just to find a good spot to watch the fireworks. So we're just going to try to find us a nice little spot. I might walk around to the other side just so you guys can get a nice little vision of the pool. It's on the roof and it's kind of lit up at night. Now I believe this is the Marriott, which is directly across the street from our hotel, but they have a really nice place as well.
Real nice it was over here.
We thought the fireworks show was over, so we came back to our room, and guess what? It wasn't over. We missed the finale. Well, we could still see a little bit of it, but not like we could on the rooftop. Now, this was day 2 of our trip, so we decided to get up, get dressed, go down, and then decide whether we were going to take a boat ride or a carriage ride. But for now, we just down here trying to see what's going on and see what we want to really do for the day. But this is me and my husband. That's my king. And to answer your question, no, he is not supposed to be sitting on that. He completely disregarded the sign that was sitting right there telling us, please don't sit or stand on items. This was actually in a wax museum, but it's not wax, so I'm not really sure why it's there. It does have a painting of Mount Rushmore on the side of it, though. Our horse and carriage has finally arrived, so we're just going to do a tour of the area. The horse's name is Queen. You see she rocking her little braids. Ain't she beautiful? I love it. Just the king and his queen enjoying life. The carriage ride was actually very romantic. This was one of my favorite pictures of the night. Now this statue is really beautiful and it's lit up at night. Yep, of course there would be a bunch of weird stuff going on down here. It's giving 6th Street and Austin vibes. I don't even know why the child wasn't afraid. Kids that aren't scared of scary things frighten me. This place was a 10 out of 10. I don't eat meat, so my husband found something that works for both of us. They had a mushroom truffle pizza that was to die for, baby. I had to run it back and get this 2 nights in a row. by this time, we have had way too much to drink. It's time to go back in our room, sit in front of our window, check out this view from the 19th floor. Yes, we brought our own strobe light. We like to bring the party with us wherever we go. And now we're just relaxing, having a nightcap. My husband's gonna rub my feet for a little bit. And now it's just our time. This is my safe place. I love it. This is day 3 of our trip. You see, I got a nice glow about me. I enjoyed myself. We're up, about to head out. And I just want to say thank you for coming along this trip with us. And if you're ever in San Antonio, check out the Riverwalk.